In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Freshbooks into Shopify. So what you have to do is first go to Google or any browser search engine and type in connect Freshbooks to Shopify. Then once you've done that, you want to look for this website, which is Zapier. Okay, we're going to do this via Zapier. It says connect Freshbooks to Shopify, easy integration. You want to click this and make sure it's zapier.com. Okay, make sure that's the link. And then it says connect Freshbooks to Shopify and automate your work. Now, what you can do over here is click connect for free, and then it will ask you to sign in or log in to your account. So if you have to sign up, you can either sign up with your email, first name and last name, or sign up with Google. I'm gonna press sign up with Google. I already have an account over here. So you'll see, I press continue. And then after you do this, you'll be asked a few simple questions. Just answer them about your company and about yourself. And then once you do that, it will automatically create this integration over here, okay? So it's an integration between Freshbooks and Shopify. Now, inside each and every single one, as you can see over here, what you have to do is first, of course, the app is selected and the second app is already selected too. What you want to do is select a trigger event over here. So for example, let's say you want new client. And then account, you have to sign into your account. So you have to essentially connect these Freshbooks with Zapier, okay? You'll have to sign in or sign up and log in into Freshbooks. And then once you do that, you'll be able to configure and test if that works. But of course, before that, you also have to do this for Shopify as well. However, as you can see, Shopify over here, next to Shopify, it says that changing your app will clear any settings you currently have for this step. So just beware, okay? Now, action event can also be set over here. So let's say you want to create customer. So in here it's new client, and then we have create customer, okay, which makes sense. And then you can also connect your Shopify account by clicking here. It will load up, and then you'll get the option to log into your Shopify store by simply typing it in, as you can see over here. So that's pretty much it. Then you will successfully continue to Shopify, and you'll be able to configure this and then test if your integration works, whatever it may be. So that's the easiest way on how to integrate Freshbooks into Shopify. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.